In today's episode, I'm dropping 6 juicy ChatGPT prompts to help you save time, boost productivity, and maybe finally tackle that inbox that's been glaring at you since 2002. Real life woes. You're sitting there trying to write a rejection letter, organize a brainstorming session, or just figure out what task is screaming the loudest. And your brain is like, no thanks, I'm out. Sometimes it feels like you're busy doing everything except what actually matters. If your inner monologue sounds like a chaotic circus, don't worry. I've been there too. Enter ChatGPT, and good news, AI is here and it doesn't even drink your coffee. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is basically your digital intern, minus the passive-aggressive sticky notes. It's trained on books, websites, and even human conversation to help you write emails, brainstorm content, or even figure out what that one weird work email actually meant. But first, you gotta know how to prompt like a pro. Perspective plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/perspective plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hey there, I'm Christina B. Rising, and welcome to the Perspective Plan Show. Here I help you boost your productivity and stay organized to help you handle whatever life throws at you. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos and podcasts every week. You can also shop for workbooks, printables, and stickers at perspectiveplans.com. Thank you, patrons and channel members, for supporting the show. Now let's get into this episode. 1. ChatGPT. What is it? It's not your clunky chatbot from 2004 that replied, "I don't understand," every single sentence. ChatGPT is a modern-day language wizard, lovingly trained by OpenAI to write like a real person, only faster, more polite, and with significantly less caffeine jitters. It's like having an overachieving assistant in your pocket who doesn't judge your typos, grammar crimes, or even questionable 2 a.m. brainstorming sessions. Need to write a persuasive email, analyze a spreadsheet full of mysterious numbers, or even whip up a thank you note that actually sounds human? ChatGPT can handle all that and more. It can help brainstorm birthday gift ideas, summarize that hour-long meeting into two digestible sentences, or even help you plan your week like a productivity guru. With a sense of humor. Whether you're wrangling your inbox, drafting social media posts, organizing your thoughts, or just trying to sound like you have it all together, ChatGPT's got your back. It's always on, judgment-free, and so far hasn't ghosted a single user yet. Tip 2. Schedules of work. Let's be honest, productivity is moody. Some days you're a task-slaying ninja with color-coded to-do lists and motivational playlists. Other days you're wrapped in a blanket burrito, contemplating the meaning of just 5 more minutes. The truth is, nobody operates at 100% all the time, and well, that's okay. The secret sauce isn't perfection. It's building routines that actually work, even when your motivation is hiding under the couch. Enter ChatGPT, your digital accountability buddy, who doesn't judge your 10 a.m. nap or the fact that you're Googling how to focus for the 3rd time this week. With the right prompt, it can whip up a personalized schedule that balances ambition with reality, yes, snack breaks included. Try out this template. I'm a insert your job role, struggling with insert your chaos here. Help me create a routine that makes me feel like a functional adult. Whether you're juggling remote meetings, wrangling toddlers, chasing deadlines, or just trying to remember what day it is, ChatGPT can help you carve structure out of all the chaos. It's not about being perfect, it's about feeling mostly like you've got your life together. Emphasis very much on mostly. Tip 3. Managing your clock. Time management, the myth. The legend, the root of many mild and not so mild panic attacks. Between deadlines, meetings, errands, and the mysterious 40-minute scroll through your dog videos. It's easy to feel like you're constantly sprinting after the clock while it lasts and speeds up. But here's the good news. ChatGPT can help you stop chasing time and start commanding it, like the time-bending boss you were always meant to be. All you need is the right prompt. I'm a insert your job title, juggling, insert your overwhelming stuff here. Help me pick tools and tactics to manage my time and not scream. ChatGPT will serve up a custom combination of apps and even strategies. Think Monday.com, Notion, or even an old school paper planner like our Every Minute Counts planner, if that's your vibe, along with tactics like time blocking, aka politely bossing your future self around. It's basically telling your calendar you're not the boss of me, except you totally are. And I need you to tell me when to eat lunch. With a little help, you'll stop living in a reactive mode and start feeling like you actually know what's going on, or at least faking it convincingly. Tip 4, compromising emails. Emails, the tiny digital landmines of modern life. One wrong phrase and suddenly you sound like a passive-aggressive robot or like you copy and pasted from a corporate handbook written in, well, 1998. Whether you're trying to sound professional without sounding cold, friendly without being weird, or just human, ChatGPT is here to help you strike that perfect balance. It's like having your own personal email whisperer, minus the awkward overthinking and draft folder full of half-written, just circling back messages. With a quick prompt, ChatGPT can craft emails that feel clear, confident, and totally on brand for you. Some sample prompts to try. Here are some sample prompts to try out. A polite reschedule due to family emergencies. Graceful, not guilty. A thanks but no thanks job rejection reply. Firm but kind. A sweet intro email to your new boss, professional and personable. A wholesome you rock note to a coworker. Bonus points for gifts. And the fan favorite, a playful launch reminder sprinkled with emoji magic. All you have to do is tell ChatGPT the vibe, the context, and the level of drama, and it'll spin up an email that's polished, appropriate, and maybe even a little charming. Because inbox zero is great, but inbox confidence even better. Tip 5, the ranking of tasks. Welcome to the task apocalypse. You've got deadlines, overflowing to-do lists, rogue sticky notes from last week, 3 simultaneous calendar alerts, and oh look, your dog is staging a protest for your attention. When everything feels urgent, nothing gets done, except maybe panic. That's where prioritization comes in. And luckily, ChatGPT is basically a digital Marie Kondo with a laptop and a calm voice that says, well, let's sort this out. Try this magic spell of a prompt. I'm a job function with 1,000 things to do. Help me plan my day like an adult who knows what they're doing. ChatGPT will sort your chaos using tools like the Eisenhower matrix, a fancy way of saying what matters now versus what can wait. And I believe I even did a video on the Eisenhower matrix. I'll link it if I can find it. Priority ladders or other productivity wizardry. It'll help you figure out what's actually important, what can be delegated, and what can be safely ignored without your life actually imploding. You'll walk away with a clear action plan, less decision fatigue, and maybe even a moment to eat lunch like a civilized human. Because staying focused, sane, and mostly on time is the real adulting gold medal. Tip 6, thinking of ideas. Running empty on the idea department? Brain fog rolling in like a thick creativity crushing cloud. Don't worry, ChatGPT is like having a brainstorming buddy who's had 3 shots of espresso, 0 self-doubt, and absolutely no fear of saying, what if we did this instead? Whether you're stuck staring at a blank cursor or just need a fresh angle, ChatGPT can spark ideas faster than you can say brainstorm. It's got the range of a caffeinated think tank and the chill vibes of a friend who never says that's dumb. Use it to coach a mentee through imposter syndrome, encouraging, not cringy. Prep someone for a job interview without sounding like a robot. Write a LinkedIn profile that, well, slaps. Yes, even the about me part. Plan out a month of niche social media content that actually engages with people. Market t-shirts that say I'm cool, weird, and yes, this is on purpose. ChatGPT doesn't get tired, judge your wild ideas, or even make the ugh face. It just keeps delivering fresh, creative, and sometimes delightfully offbeat suggestions until, well, something clicks. Think of it as your personal idea machine minus the creative blocks and existential dread. Tip 7, editing text. Need to write copy that doesn't sound like it was scribbled in a cave with a dull stick. Whether you're cranking out SEO blogs, press releases, website copy, or even descriptions for floaty taco pool toys. Yes, really. ChatGPT's got the range of a Broadway understudy with a keyboard. All you have to do is feed in the basics, who the audience is, what the tone should be, and any key info it has to include. Then sit back and watch it spin your rough draft into something that sounds polished, intentional, and weirdly professional for something written by a computer. Need a press release for a pediatric nebulizer that doesn't sound like a medieval torture device? Covered. Want a spicy Amazon description for a sassy inflatable pool float shaped like a donut? Done and glazed. ChatGPT writes like it's on an actual deadline because, let's face it, you probably are. From technical jargon to playful puns, it adapts the voice you need, whether you're targeting CEOs, toddlers' parents, or even iconic t-shirt shoppers. So yeah, it's basically your copy editor, ghostwriter, and hype squad all in one. Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them plan for what's to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate for you to miss the next episode. Now let's get into our recap. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed a tip on the list. Tip 1, ChatGPT, what is it? Tip 2, schedules of work. Tip 3, managing your clock. Tip 4, composing of emails. Tip 5, the ranking of tasks. Tip 6, thinking of ideas. Tip 7, editing text. Don't worry about breaks every 20 minutes ruining your focus on a task. Contrary to what I might have guessed, taking regular breaks from mental tasks actually improves your creativity and productivity. Skipping breaks, on the other hand, leads to stress and fatigue. Tom Rath. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspective plans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.